We stay up late, let's drink them bottles 1, 2, 3. The music's playing, got us pulling wild and free. We're up till the morning and we won't go home. We're living the life we feel, we are in the zone. With our hands up high, we party, being wild and free. We're dancing, oh, 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 oh. We're singing, oh, 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 oh. We're dancing, oh, 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 oh. We're singing, oh, oh.
That is my next one, see.
Yeah. Asha, you look over tea?
Yeah.
You know, so I'm not too trusty on the stove, though.
But I don't feel it.
And that me I realize now.
My son can cook too.
Yeah? I think you're ready for that yet.
I want to try.
Ashley, you serious?
Yeah, I want to cook and make you eat.
Alright, yo, one of them days, I teach you how to cook, yeah?
Okay.
See?
That is how we're going to start with.
I'm going to make tea nice too, man. So here we are going. First, we're going to start off with mackerel and rice.
But that's easy.
No, it's not really easy, no, chef, because you have to know how to steam the rice properly.
Mama already know to steam rice.
Don't give me out, man. That's not my baby.
Did you choose now I'm going to summer school?
Actually, here one, not summer school. I want you to do something different that year.
Like what?
Some dancing, some acting, and some singing. What do you think about that?
But that sounds fun.
Yes, Ashley, because the whole year, you have to do the same schoolwork. The same thing you have to do at summer school. So you see that year, you have to mix it up a little with that. You see it?
Daddy, you can do swimming too.
Yes, you can do swimming, baby. As long as you want to.
Yes, I want to.
Alright? Hold me. Ashley. Thanks to the tea, sweetie. I'll take that call here. Yeah, excuse me. Oh, go on, Vicious. There you go on, Bill. You good? I'm so far away. Active. So no badness to the board them face. That no sound right. You like how that sound. Yo, here, I'm going to make a check over my place. And find out if I'm for blah blah blah. Yeah, man. So this boy could have really grabbed phone and place now. I'm going to pick it here, man.
Yo, Pana 6. I eat this, the fittest. What them say? The style the remix. Yo, first world. Barbecue.
Ah, go on, Vicious. Never there, my cuz. Go and hold them, you know. So it's a good one, I'm leaving soon, no cuz. A true, man. And I turn businessman now. I circle black again. Yeah, man, we have to do the right thing and I go and tuck in, you know. Nothing wrong with that, you know, brother. You have to breeze the road more wide, that's it. That is it, man. True, man. That's right now, you come like every move, you make people watch out my thing in a bad, man. What go on? People are not care about my name to Marsha. Your baby mother? So what? Yeah, remember I sports day we go link the principal. Yeah, what about it? So you know say somebody go tell Marsha say me I move like gunman with all balaclava up on my face. Yeah, no. And look how I tell you if you take off that off of your face, brother. It make us me not done show you say those things kinda hack up my sinus charge. And that's why I'm weird in a bad man. Time and place, brother. From you wear something like that on a school compound, you know you're gonna get pricked. They all talk about how we dress. You know the truth, Vicious? We have to go start check how we approach certain things there, sir.
So what you trying to say? We have to go change up my movements now for start please people, bad man.
I got me, I say. But we have to try to lead by example, brother.
You know what I reckon, bad man? Remember say a link, we go link the woman to help organize the sports day in a charge.
Yeah, me know, bro. But from afar, you never look right.
No, if you look right to them, yeah. As long as we are doing the right thing at that count.
You have to look right, brother. And know when we go wrong and own it.
But man, you see, anyhow I find out who call me name to Marsha, brother. It's a hard come hear that.
So she not carry her son to you?
I know, brother. Like a hard she a play here.
Because of them people, they say.
Yeah. And she a pray say me still in the badness, you know.
Oh, so that's how you tuck in from what you hear?
Yeah. Need to see me youth, you hear?
Well, at least you start do the right thing. You see?
Oh, hit me a car. I want to tell you say Miss Jen come circle the black the other day when Marsha come link me, you know. I know I want a poor reasoning, you see pray.
So how we go?
She said she never knows me have a youth.
Look how long we know you. And we just know.
Nah lie no bro. Did shame one time, you hear that? Cause when me and Marsha they just mash up in the charge, she said she wouldn't make me see back my youth ever again.
So what cost that?
2 boy the forward of me yard for me 3 points, brother. Skill in a hit me, I can make me still there, you hear that?
So yeah, I did live them time there.
Bad man, me out about 2 them time there. Both them come fire, be a wild binds in my house in a charge. I draw me have to draw Marshall and you out of 5 bed in a charge and circle out the road, you know. I'm gonna knock up a piece of all iron, you hear that?
So them get where?
Then I there. The both them get where, yes. But I want to tell you say a sister in a place the both them face. And make me know how. So when me circle like a panthercle, a pronounce, spread out, boy, spread out.
John was star. Now that make Marsha now I have to see your youth again.
Bad man, boy, you see all them in a bed. Alright, which part of you head did there, no cuz?